Shackleton's Lifeboat. Shackleton Lifeboat was a GWP, gift with purchase is what it's referred to as, that you got when you bought the Endurance day 1, day 2, that's it. Because by the end of day 2, Shackleton's Lifeboat was completely sold out. I don't know how we keep getting sold out on, GWP so fast. You would think LEGO would have a stock that would last at least a week, but that's not always what happens, especially when you get a lot of LEGO resellers that buy a bunch, especially these, because they know they can resell this at a very high price. If I'm not mistaken, this set right here is going for over $100 right now. This set is set 40729. It's a LEGO Icon set, 18 plus, comes with 232 pieces, and it also has 2 minifigures. With these 2 minifigures, it also includes a couple accessories like a camera, a little telescope piece, the lifeboat itself, some tools along the way, and I want to say a little fire pot is the other thing. This minifigure comes in normal scale, which is Shackleton himself. I'm not 100% sure what the crew member or partner is. We'll talk more about that when we review this at the end. But let's crack open this box and see what's inside. For a set that only includes 232 pieces, it comes with 6 bags. Yes, you heard that correctly. 6 bags on a set that only comes with 232 pieces. Which means there's 50, 75 pieces in a bag? You also got a plate, 2 wires, and the instructions themselves. It's on the smaller side, and remember, GWPs, they do not include the scannable code to be able to get your 20 VIP points or insider points. Now, it's a small little instruction booklet. You got 6 bags, 2 wires, and a plate. Now, let's get into the building portion. Here is Shackleton himself, he's also holding a little telescope too. But that is Shackleton himself. He's also wearing what I would call Indiana Jones's hat. Here is his first mate, as what I would consider him as. It's just his first mate that goes along with him on the lifeboat. We'll stay tuned to the end, we'll figure out what his actual name is. Hey Captain, your coffee is ready. Is this how they make coffee? Hey, get that camera set up. We don't want to miss this footage. This is some good stuff. You see that right there? Make sure to take a good picture. At least we got some survival gear. Even though we're in our lifeboat, that's a huge plus just right there. A lifeboat that has skis is still a little unusual to me. Well, looks like the center frame is looking out pretty nice now with the boat. Nice and sturdy. Look at that, 2 perfect seats for the cameraman and Shackleton. whole outer shell is pretty much complete. Well, look at that. The lifeboat is complete. And it even got a hidden compartment. Now, with this set fully complete and built, let's talk about everything you get in this set and review it a little bit. So you get what I'm going to consider the cameraman. He's going to be the lovely cameraman. Comes with a blue hat, a nice leather jacket with a vest, and a button-up shirt on the fully back. There is no print on the pants, but there is some back print on the back of his jacket. He does only have one face. It's a pretty cheeky face, too. And I'll tell you what, for just being a cameraman, he's looking pretty sleek. Next up is Shackleton himself. The one and the only, the expedition man. Comes with a nice telescope. He has the Indiana Jones hat, a blue jacket with a t-shirt, and a nice, cute little, scarf. He does have printing on the back, which has some of the scarf. He has plain pants. Some of the accessories you get is what I'm going to call what they made the coffee with. It does have a clear little circle piece that goes inside for the boiling water. And then you set it right on top of this. And this is how they cook some water. What's pretty cool is it actually has a smokestack on it with some smoke coming out. That is a cute little feature I pretty much really love. Next is the cameraman's camera. And it's pretty simple. It's made with some blaster guns, clear piece, and a tungsten piece. That's all really it is. And that's pretty much all that really makes it. It's pretty funny in the part usage. They're using nice 3 little blasters. Some of the tools and accessories is going to be a jar of something. You also have a clear chalice. You have a pickaxe, a hammer, and you got some shovels that come in the crate. All these items sit nicely in the crate. The chalice and the jar can sit nicely on a stud, but the hammer, the shovel, and the pickaxe, well, those are going to be flopping around. Now, the big thing everybody talks about is the sleigh. So the sleigh is very versatile. You can either use this sleigh to put the crates on and then, drag it along, or it sits because, it's too icy or snowy, there is no water. Well, we can still use our lifeboat by sailing on the ice. So we're going to take this off for the next part of this. You have the way you guide your lifeboat right back here just by steering it. I'm assuming you would be putting some kind of mask on these to be able to determine which way you go. I'm not 100% sure. You do have a nice rubber piece that goes along the side that gives it like a spot where you put buoys and stuff like on a real lifeboat. One of the hidden features you're going to see is when you take the oars off. And that is where it's going to bring you the 2 seats for Shackleton and his cameraman to sit. It's hidden under. This is a 6-bag set, and it's a very nice lifeboat. Do I agree that it is the best representative scale of the actual boat? I'm going to say no, but I would love to hear your comments if you think this lifeboat is to scale according to the situation. I don't think so, because the lifeboats that are actually on it are going to be pretty small. There is tons of playability when it comes to this. I'm mainly going to be stacking it all on it so I don't lose any of the pieces, so I can be able to display it when I finish the Endurance. I am building the Endurance Live. We'll be reviewing that set soon before we light it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, keep building your life just one simple brick at a time. Bye for now.